Everyone, welcome back. We are in episode 15 and we are going to talk about a journal which is related to science and all many subject under the science, like very every scope under the science we will discuss about that. Before we proceed, I'd like to tell you that this is my channel, so goms tech talk. If you haven't subscribed it, please go and subscribe now. And the important playlist which you should watch is what the unpaid SEI Scopus Annexure 1. So, this particular playlist I will be uploading the journal list every week. Okay, so every week, twice or thrice, I'll be uploading. Please go and watch this. You can even, I have already uploaded 81 videos. You can also check that. Okay, and this is all about research, which is specifically for the researchers. You can, throughout the journey of your research, this will definitely help you. And if you want to know the free courses, how to find the internship for your students or job opportunities, you can find the skill up. Apart from this, I have also discussed about few research based softwares here, that is minitab, graphpad, prism, r and rattle. This will also help you in your research. If you have any specific queries in your research, you can just check here. And there's queries like research queries. If you want to check your research paper in Turnitin, or if you want to discuss with me related to your research, how to proceed further, you can just connect the call with me. The link is in the description. So these are the important checklist which you should consider before you submit your article in the journal. Okay, we will discuss this one by one, don't worry. So today we are going to discuss about the journal called Malaysian Journal of Fundamental and Applied Sciences. So it covers general mathematics, agriculture and biological science, physics and astronomy, biochemistry and chemistry, general chemistry. So I request you, you can comment your subject name if you want any specific journal for your subject or for your research, but please be specific while you enter your subject name. Okay, so the subject name you can find it here in the in the source. So what many people are commenting is what their topic. Okay, they will be mentioning like science. What is science? There are various science, right? Like insect science, plant science. What science exactly you want, you have to tell that. Like generally they'll be talking about aluminium. What is that? This comes under what subject area? So you have to tell that, right? Mechanical engineering or civil engineering. So you have to tell the subject area. Simply don't write like whatever you are doing in the research. There are various sub subject areas, like sub domains under that. Don't specify that. Please just mention the subject area and what database you wanted to find, like UGC or Scopus. You have to tell that. Okay, so here you can see this is the Malaysian journal. So I am talking about this particular journal in the month of April 2024. So if you are checking this after 3 months, please go and cross check this. So this is the first one which you have to do. You have to cross check in the Scopus database, which is very very important, whether it is still indexed in Scopus when you are planning to submit your article. Okay, and the next one is what you have to also check for whether it is still in scopus present. Okay, it's showing present, and you have to cross check the ISSN and ESSN number. So here you can see this is ISSN and ESSN number which really matches this. So the next one which you have to check is what you have to cross check the scope, and you have to cross check the ESSN number, and you should see whether your article is under the subject area. Chemistry or biology or physics, mathematics or biological science is general science. So whether it under this scope area, then you can just proceed. The next important thing is what the fee. So let us see whether it has fee or not. Just scroll down. Yes, it involves fee. It's Malaysian fee. I think it is 630 per article. Okay, for Malaysia, for the Malaysian affiliation. Okay, so this is a Malaysian journal, and for the Malaysia affiliation, and 730 article for the outside Malaysia. Okay, for 730 for the outside Malaysia. So this you have to see. So MYR is Malaysian ringgit. Okay, and if you just convert MYR to INR, you can just go ahead and type it. 1 MYR, which is equal to 17 rupees, 17 point something in INR. So you can You can just go ahead and see like what is 630 or 730 MIR to MYR to INR, which comes, I think it comes nearly, if you convert, it comes nearly 12,000 in Indian money, and I'm not sure about the other money. You can just go ahead and check that. Okay, so this is the cost. Next one, author guidelines. You have to just go ahead and check for the author guidelines. So you can see here in the about, you have about the journal, submission, editorial team, and everything. You can either check, or else you can go ahead and click here on the submissions. So by the way, in the submissions you can see the author guidelines. So what are the checklist you should follow, and word template, you can download the word template to use it to write your paper. Okay, so this is the author guidelines. They have given the clear how it should be, like whether you have to submit the cover letter, author contribution statement, list of potential referees. Okay, so I have discussed about how to add the referees and everything in the all about the research playlist, so you can go and watch that. Okay, then what they're asking is what are the types of paper they are accepting. So these things you can see, and how to format your paper, how the abstract should be, everything in detail they have mentioned here, so you can follow that. The next important thing which you should see is what the plagiarism policy. So in few journal they will be mentioning the plagiarism policy. So the plagiarism, if they haven't mentioned anywhere, the plagiarism detection they have mentioned, so they'll be using some plagiarism detection tool. If it is not mentioned, make sure that it is under 20 percentage. In few journal they'll also check for AI detection, so it is also you have to check, it should be under 10 percentage if they haven't mentioned. So if you want to check your paper in Turnitin, okay, you can send your paper to me. You can just comment it, I will let you know like how to process. So it is a paid one. So I'll also tell you like what is the amount. Okay, so you can let me know. So this is what about the plagiarism policy. And the next one is the issue, how many issues a year they are publishing. So either you can check in the homepage, probably in the homepage they will be mentioning like all about the issues, how long this is about the mathematics. Okay, and what are the subjects they are just accepting. You can see these much subjects they are accepting, and you can see this is the publication frequency, 6 issues per year, and it is February, April, June, August, October, and December. Okay, so this here they have mentioned about the plagiarism, even they are using Turnitin. Okay, so if you want to check, you can let me know. And anything more than this, you can just go ahead and check there. Okay, and the next one is what, any special issue, whether they have any special issue, you can also find that. So here you can see about the journal, submission, editorial team. Okay, no problem. Then you can go to the announcements. In the announcement page, they may mention about the special issue. So here you can see special issue, but it was issued in the month of 2022. I don't think so they have the special issue now, reason at present they don't have any special issue. But when you are checking that, probably you can see, or else you can contact the editor and ask if they have any special issue. Next one is FAQs. So you can check for FAQs where it holds additional information. Like if you want to know about anything in detail, then you can go ahead for the FAQ. But probably you cannot find FAQ in every journal page. So you can just, if you have any queries above than these things which are mentioned, you can just send a mail to like a principal contact. Okay, so you can just send a mail to them. So how to write a mail, I have also discussed that in the all about research, you can check that. And then finally, any additional charges, of course here they haven't mentioned any additional charges. I think you can go ahead with that. It's 12,000. So you can consider this if you are under mathematics or applied physics or chemistry or biology. Okay, so I hope you got some idea about this journal. So there are a few more journal which I wanted to discuss. It was about the psychology in UGC care, computer science, and mechanical engineering for aluminium. So I will definitely release the videos soon. Okay, so if you have any queries, please leave that in the comment about the publication, that is any journal. So I'll be considering that soon. Thank you, take care, and bye bye.